Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is your girl Chocolate Swag, and I have just got home from work and I got a package in the mail, and it is my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette and my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. Now I ordered this from Nordstrom Rack, I would say not last night, so the day before that. What was that, Thursday? Sorry, my cats are in here running around. I would say I ordered it on Thursday and I just got it today. So that was like super fast, way faster than any other package I received from them. That shipping was like, what, a day? Super quick. So, no, today's Friday. I think I ordered it Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, and I just got it today. So I want to show you this palette. This is the Smoky palette. And it comes with this booklet. I never had any of these palettes before. I will show you what I was using before I ordered this when I wanted like that smoky look. But I always strayed away from this because this palette is $60 or $55. I believe it's $54.99 or something like that. $55 through $60. So I never ordered this palette. But I got it from Nordstrom Rack again for $24.99 for both. So the Naked Smoky palette comes with this little booklet, and inside it has like different guides for different looks that you can do on the front, and there's also some looks on the back. It gives you a picture, and it also gives you like steps like 1 through 10 telling you what colors to use and where to place it. So I think that's really cute. And the packaging is nice. It's this hard plastic, smoky gray, marble looking packaging. And it says Naked, Urban Decay. And here are the colors. I might do a swatch video, but there's probably so many swatch videos out there. So I don't know if you all will be interested in seeing swatches of this or not. It also comes with a dual brush. So here's the brush. I don't know if you can see the bristles. They're really soft. Does it say anything? No, it doesn't say anything on the brushes. It just has Urban Decay. Here's the other side. Really soft. So that's cute. And then the mirror. I know mine looks dirty, but it's probably just the plastic. So there's the mirror. Now this is what I just picked up. This is actually my mom's. This is the Eye Essentials by MAC Studio. And I think this came from TJ Maxx. This is like a smoky palette. And it is the dupe, in my opinion, for the Naked palette. So it has little pictures, 3 pictures on 3 different looks you can do. And here are the colors. They're all numbered. I don't know if you can see that. And it does come with a dual-ended brush, which just fell out. There's this side. And then this side was just a regular spongy side, and I probably broke that. Don't kill me, Mom. But I probably broke that. I don't know. Or maybe she broke it. I don't know, but it came off. So I really wanted to compare these two because they are so similar. So if you can't afford it, then this is like the next best thing. So they kind of line up. The one that's all the way right here mimics this one. And then you see these other colors. If I can bring it closer. They kind of mimic each other really good. So if you can't find this on Nordstrom Rack, and it's back to its full price, which is like $54. Or if you find it for $24 and that's still too much for you, this right here is like the perfect dupe for it. I think this was like $5.99 or $9.99 at TJ Maxx. I believe they also sell it at Marshall's. So definitely check this out. Or if you're just a beginner and you're not ready to splurge, or you don't really know how to put on eyeshadow, this is definitely a good dupe. I'm actually going to do a swatch video. Not tonight because I'm exhausted and I just got off of work. But I am going to do a swatch video with them side by side so you guys can see how close the colors are to the actual Naked palette and the MAC Studios Essential palette. And the back just shows like the colors, and I guess it tells their little story, or maybe, I don't know, what does it say actually? It just tells like what type of colors are in here. It says there's more bronzes, dimensional grays, rich browns, deep blacks, there's mattes, satin shades with sparkle. So it's just giving you a little description of what kind of colors are in there. I also picked up Urban Decay Heavy Metals, and I'm super excited about this package because it's purple, and I love purple. It's pretty, reminds me of a unicorn. It's fun, it's nice and heavy, it's big. I just like it. And it's sparkly. Like, this one is so sparkly. Like, look at these colors. Every girl loves glitz and glam and sparkle. So this is perfect. I can't wait to try this out. I'm so excited about this. And it has a mirror in the middle. Mine looks, well, one thing I want to say is it doesn't look used, but it didn't have like a plastic covering over it. I know with my BH Cosmetics palette and my Juvia's Place palette, like they all have like that clear film, that plastic covering over it, and this one doesn't. And like, even the mirror doesn't have like a sticker on it. I know there's no returns on these palettes, so I'm not really worried that this was like taken back to the store, because Nordstrom Rack does not do returns on the makeup. So this is definitely final sale, and I'm like tilting it and looking at each of the colors to make sure there's no like fingerprints on them to see if anybody used it. I'm a little bummed out because like the palette is kind of, well, I was gonna say it's scratched in some places, but it's not. It's actually just looks like something's on there. Maybe some of the eyeshadow got on there, so it's not scratched. So good, I'm happy about that, because I was gonna say I'm bummed out that it's scratched. But I definitely can't wait to play with this palette. They have like some really fun names like Twisted, Glam Rock, Punk Rock, Spandex, Aluminum, Glory, Starfire, After Party, ooh, Angel Fire, Scream. So I'm excited about this. I can't wait to play with this. And I just love that this is not in a box, because some of my palettes are in like that box. Like the Juvia's Place is kind of like in a box. My BH Cosmetics palettes are in hard plastic. I just like that better. But what is in here? Nothing is in here. But I'm super excited about these two finds. I definitely think you guys should check to see if it is still available on the I'm dropping everything. If it's still available on the Nordstrom Rack's website. Also check Hot Look, because they're like affiliated, and then they also have this section, I cannot get this back in the box, where they tell you like what's coming up next. And I believe today they started their Too Faced sale, so they're having a sale on Too Faced Cosmetics. So definitely go in there and look. I forgot to push the brush away. Definitely go on there and look. So I do have a lot of eyeshadow, a lot of lip gloss, a lot of lipstick. And I just don't really use it, because sometimes I just get lazy. Like, I don't feel like putting any eyeshadow on, or I sleep until the last minute before work, and I don't wake up in enough time to like really just make myself look cute. Not that I wouldn't look cute without makeup, because we're all beautiful with or without it, but sometimes I just don't get up in time. And I realized that I'm not utilizing everything that I have, and I have a lot. I'm going to do a vanity tour, because one of my rooms is strictly my makeup room, and then my other room is my dressing room. Don't ask me where my bed is. But I want to do a tour of my vanity so you guys can see everything that I have. And I really want to start using this stuff more because I like to play around with makeup. I don't wear foundation or anything like that. I don't wear anything on my face. Sometimes I may put like a little bronzer, like bronzing powder on my nose just for that little shimmer, but I don't wear foundation. My face just doesn't like it. I've tried it and my face just doesn't like it. I will like get these little bumps, not really like pimples, not really like breaking out, but it just makes my skin look like cakey almost. And even if I do use like a good product that doesn't make me look like a cake face, my face just I just get small bumps all over my face. So my face is sensitive and it does not like foundation at all, so I don't use it. All I will wear is mascara. I love mascara. And I will wear maybe once in the blue moon, if it's like a special occasion, I'll put on some eyelashes. But I really just wear lip gloss, lipstick, mascara, and eyeshadow. That's it. Nothing on the face. So I will be showing y'all my vanity soon. I'm really trying to get that clean back up because when I'm in there rushing, I make a mess. And I'm also going to do a swatch between the Naked Smoky palette and the MAC Studios Essential palette to show you a cheaper alternative to the Naked Smoky palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I just threw this out here because I was super excited about my box. And as soon as I opened it, I was like, I gotta do an unboxing video real quick. So once again, those items came from Nordstrom Rack. They were both priced at $24.99. The full price for each is about $54 to $59 if I'm not mistaken. So go on there, look out for that. I'm super excited about that steal that I got. I hope you guys are able to find it, and I will see you all soon. Bye.